Hi there, this is Vivek from Learn Accounting Software. In this video we are going to learn that what is the main difference between as voucher and as invoice mode in Tally.ERP9. So let's run Tally.ERP9 first. So let's open it in educational mode. So this is the company that we made in our previous video, XYZ Fertilizer Trading Private Limited. So as we go in accounting vouchers option, and as we try to do, or whenever we do purchase, whenever we enter purchase or sales accounting voucher, then there is an option that comes below from this option. This is as voucher or as invoice. Whenever you just click on it, it changes to as voice or as invoice, as voucher or as invoice. So now we are going to see that what is the main difference between these both modes. So first we are going to do a purchase entry, or purchase accounting voucher entry. So first we are going to do in as voucher mode. So as you can see that there is supplier invoice number 8, and at there in particulars you have to fill the accounts which is going to be credited and the account which is going to be debited and the amount, then narration. So let's just enter accounting voucher in it as a practical. So this is the accounting voucher that we are going to enter. Is purchase fertilizer A from Mr. Shashi of rupees 2 lakh, bill number 123. So the journal entry of this accounting voucher is purchase account debit to Mr. Shashi account by rupees 2 lakh. So now let's just create accounting Mr. Shashi account. There you have to fill the information regarding the supplier detail is 2 lakh. So this is the purchase account. So now select. So now by pressing enter you have to just name the item. So you have to make a list of the item that you are purchased from Mr. Shashi. Is fertilizer A of 100 kg bag, quantity is 100, suppose quantity is 100 bags with the rate of 1000, and fertilizer A with 50 kg bag is 200 bags with 500 rate. So total bags is 300 and amount is 2 lakh. Now just enter bill number. So bill number is 123. Enter in narration, bill number is 123. So now just enter and accept it. So let's do this same entry in as invoice mode. So just click on as invoice. So as you can see that here these options came when you just click on as invoice. So this is the purchase entry, the purchase option that we just selected. So now you have to fill supplier invoice number, means the bill number is 123. 123. Date is 1st July 2016. So there we have to fill the party account name. The person from whom we purchased goods is Mr. Shashi account. There you have to fill the supplier detail, and this is the purchase ledger. So there there it can be so many accounts, like purchase account when you purchase with 5% of VAT or 10% of VAT. So there may be some another accounts. There is only one account, that purchase account. There can be purchase account with 5%, purchase account by 10%. So now I'm going to select purchase account. So now I have to just fill name of item which we are purchased from Mr. Shashi. The name of item is first fertilizer A of 100 kg, quantity is 100, rate is 1000, so it's 1 lakh. Next is fertilizer A with 50 kg bag, with 200 bags, with 500, price of unit. So when after this you just going to press enter, then it will be show the end of list, and then here you can do any changes if there you want to do any change, and then type narration is bill number 123. So this is how to do a purchase entry, or how to enter a purchase voucher in as voucher and as invoice mode. So let's do a sales entry in as voucher and as invoice mode in Tally.ERP9. So let's click on sales option first. So the sales entry is, the sales accounting voucher is fertilizer A sold to Navi, rupees 1 lakh, bill 156. So now sales is first is do it in as voucher mode. First, this is we sold fertilizer A to Navi on credit basis. So general entry will be Navi account debit to sales account. Navi account. So there you have to fill the information. 1 lakh to sales account. There you have to fill the item, name of item, fertilizer A, 100 kg bag, quantity is 40. Suppose rate is 1250 rupees, and fertilizer A with 50 kg bag. Suppose we sold it 50, and for to match 1 lakh with the entry, so I needed this 625. So just enter, and now just enter the bill number 156, bill number 156, then press enter and accept it. So let's do this similar entry, or enter this similar accounting voucher in as invoice mode. So this is the reference number that you have to fill, is bill number 156. Party name from the person who is purchasing goods from us is Navi. As you can see, Navi account. This is the delivery note that you have to fill, that dispatch detail, order detail, etc. Wire detail. So the sales ledger is sales account that we just selected, and now you have to just fill the name of item that he purchased from us is 100 fertilizer A with 100 kg bag, A of 100 kg bag, quantity is 40, rate is 1250, 50,000 amount, and fertilizer A with 50 kg bag, 50 units of quantity, 625. So then press and then it will show the end of list. So here you can do any changes if you want to do, and then type narration here, mail number 156, then press enter and accept it. So this is the main difference between as voucher and as invoice mode in Tally.ERP9. So make sure you subscribe the channel, like the video, share the video. Thanks for watching.